What's up, YouTube?
We are
back with another video, baby.
Oh yeah, guys, today we have something super fast, easy, and delicious. It's called another banger.
Banger.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna be like, Chef Sam, we already see it in the description, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. We have Guys, Chef Trini is making me laugh. Sorry. We have some air fryer French toast today. Homemade French toast for you guys. Jumping right into the ingredients. Chef Trini, please let me do my intro, okay?
All right,
please.
That's all right.
All right. So we have some Sara Lee slices of bread. I like Sara Lee because it's thicker, nice and soft. Or you can get any sliced bread. That's fine. You're gonna need 1 egg. You're gonna need some cooking spray, pan spray, non-stick spray. You need that for your air fryer. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We have 1 teaspoon of brown cinnamon. We have 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna melt that. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener, brown sugar. You can use any of those. And we have ½ a cup of milk. Guys, you can make this also a vegan dish and substitute your dairy products. Just want to throw that out there. So these
let me tell them a story. Tell them a story about it.
We don't got time, okay?
I thought you was gonna
tell them. We're jumping right into it.
I want to tell them,
and we're not gonna overtalk it, okay?
What about? Can I just,
no. All right, guys. So let me show you what we're gonna do with all these ingredients. So stay tuned for that.
I want to tell.
Okay, bye. All right.
Guys, I want to tell you guys about this vegan butter.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And make us buy in the supermarket. But I'll save that for another story. No. Chefette, so you guys know the ingredients to make this air fryer French toast. So let's jump right in. So what you're going to do is combine your ingredients. We got our 1 egg here in a bowl. I'm going to add our sweetener or sugar, whatever you prefer to use. I'm going to add our milk, whole milk, 1%, 2%, dairy-free like Chef Sam's doing. Whatever you prefer, you can use it. We're going to take our cinnamon. We melted our butter because it's easier to mix. And last but not least, we're going to put our vanilla. Once you add all your ingredients to one bowl, you're just going to mix it. Mix everything up. This recipe right here is very simple. Pay attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix and I'm going to show you the next.
All right, so we have our Sara Lee sliced bread here, Chef and Chefettes. We have our mixed French toast, all ingredients in there that Chef Trini did. So pay attention, easy peasy. I'm going to slice all of our French toast.
Oh, did you tell them if they didn't have Sara Lee, they could use the Texas toast?
Yeah, no, I didn't tell them, but you just did. So thank you, Chef Trini, for that.
Oh, no, she didn't. Oh.
My God.
I don't know what I'll do without you. I don't know what I'll do. I'm willing to find out though, so if anybody needs a job, let me know.
I can.
Chef and Chefettes, if you do not want to slice it and have French toast sticks like this, what you see here, you're more than welcome to leave it whole, all right? So after you slice it, dip it right in here. You want every side coated. Look how nice.
That's crazy. I didn't even know we were making French toast sticks.
What you thought we was making?
French toast.
You can leave that one whole and we'll show you how to do that one.
That is insane.
Look at that. Look at that.
You know, in the title, in the beginning, in the intro, we said French toast. I don't remember saying anything about sticks.
You learn something new every day. We can leave that whole. Watch me now. Watch me. Watch. Look at this. Take the same whole one, dip it in there. Each side, guys. Each side is very important. Don't forget every corner. If you don't like crust, take off the crust. Look at that, Chef Trini. French toast. You like it? I don't know where they find you. All right, guys. So I'm gonna do this to all of them, and I'm gonna show you what to do with it.
Chefs and Chefette, did you guys hit that subscribe button? All right, so it's time to cook our air fryer French toast slash sticks. That somebody just threw from left field. So guys, what you're gonna do is we preheated our air fryer for 3 minutes on 370. Every single air fryer is different, so you gotta kind of play with it. But we're gonna cook these in our air fryer for 12 minutes on 370. You're gonna put it for 8 minutes, then you're gonna stop it, check it, flip it, and cook it for another 2 to 4 minutes. But like I said, you want to check it because every air fryer varies. So let's go. Come in close.
All right.
Come in close. Oh, you breaking stuff.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Don't worry.
Camera women.
Focus on this.
You fired.
I don't want
you fired.
I don't want you to, you know.
You're fired. So first you're going to take your cooking spray. Spray your air fryer because you don't want it to stick to there. Let me put the French toast in first. Let me get that in the corner. You can see that? And now we're going to get these sticks in there. Y'all see that?
We see this now. All right.
Now let's get these French toast sticks in there.
Oh, it already looks good. It's not even cooked. Look at that. Look how you place that so gentle.
Don't worry about me. Come back up on me. Okay. Come back up on me. You ain't got to stay in the pot like this.
Now I wanted to watch.
Drooling over the pot. You over there.
I wasn't drooling.
No, you were drooling.
No, I wasn't drooling. Did you see?
Wipe your chin.
Goodbye.
Wipe your chin.
Focus what you doing?
Wipe your chin. Wipe your chin.
Made my French toast soggy.
Wipe your chin.
Come on.
All right, guys. So like I said, 370 for 12 minutes. But at the 8-minute mark, you want to check it and flip your French toast sticks. So let's go. Let's do these 8 minutes first. And we're going to see you halfway.
Chef and Chefette, it's been 8 minutes. Let's come take a peek.
It smells amazing.
It smells really good.
Oh, I want to see. I want to see. I want to see.
We're going to flip this.
Oh my God. I'm zooming in. I'm zooming in.
You got it? It looks really good. It smells amazing.
It sure does.
Let's flip it. Let's flip it. I would put my finger in there, but I don't want to burn my hand.
So now we're going to flip it for
2 to 4 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to check it. Make sure it's good, not burning. Because remember, like Chef Shuni said, every air fryer varies, all right? So in the 2-minute mark, check your French toast. See if it's good, if it needs to come out. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're going to do. And then we're going to show you what it looks like.
Chefs and Chefettes. Yo, our air fryer French toast.
/ sticks.
Nobody asked you. You didn't want to do the scene. So shut up.
Who are you talking to?
Shut up.
Don't get karate chopped. What? Shut up.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I quit. That's it, guys. Make these French toast sticks / bread in your damn air fryer.
/ bread.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. No, not we.